Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust brightness on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So to do that, you have two options. The first one would be pressing these three icons over here and then just sliding this toggle to adjust your brightness levels. Sliding it to the left will make it darker, and to the right will obviously make it lighter. But you can also use a more convenient method. You might find it more convenient using shortcuts. So, as you can see, the F6 button decreases the brightness level, and the F7 increases it. So you just have to press them. But if you're pressing them and they do nothing, it means that your function keys are locked, and in order to unlock them, just press the Fn key alongside with the escape, like that. Well, in my case, it would actually lock these keys, but if I press this combination again, then I will be able to freely use my brightness level adjustment keys. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.